Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you are going to see about decision making in Python. It is really an important topic in every programming language because it is the mostly used one and can be easily understandable. Okay guys, now come to the topic. Decision making. What is the meaning of the sentence in a real life? In some point of our life, we need to make a decision for our future. Whether we go this way or that way. Like that, computer is also have such a point that I need to choose this app or that one. For this purpose, programming language allow decision making skill. It contain conditional and a control structure. We start with the conditional first, in which we are going to see about if else, and if and else. Syntax for a if statement. If of condition, colon, and statement. I already made a video for indentation. Indentation is nothing but a space. Prior to this video, we did not use the indentation. From here, indentation is a very important one. If the statement is ended with a colon, after when you press enter, it leave a tab space. That is known as indentation for the next statement. Because in Python, we don't use braces to say the block of code start and ends here. For that, we use a space here. If of condition, statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3, and statement 4. From statement 1 to statement 3 is a block of statement executed when the if condition is true. After that, statement 4 is executed. If the condition is false, this block of code is not executed. Directly control go to the statement 4. And mostly we use a relational operator as a condition. I made a video for operators. If you have a doubt, check the video. I provide the link in the description and above suggestion box. Now we are going to learn this conditional by few example program. Check if the given input is greater than 10. If yes, print the greatest value. First get the input. N is equal to int of input of. It is used to get the value from the prompt. Now check if n is greater than 10 or not. If n is greater than 10, if of n greater than 10 colon. Now enter. If true, then print n is the greatest value. Now save this program and run this program. Now enter the input 15. Yeah, it print 15 is the greatest value. It's true. Now we are going to do the second problem for if else. Now check if the given input is positive or not. This is the question. First we get the input. N is equal to int of input of. Now think about the solution of this problem. How to find the given value is positive or a negative? It makes you think it is really difficult. But when I say the solution, you think how simple is this? Think about which number separate those positive and negative number. I think you get it right. Yeah. 0 is the number that separate both positive and negative value. If the number is greater than 0, then the number is positive. If the number is lesser than 0, then the number is negative. Now implement this logic to our program. If of n greater than 0, print n is the positive. Else, print n is a negative. Now save this program and run this program. Enter 9. 9 is a positive value. Now run this program again and check What is the output? Now minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative value. Yeah, our program is working well. Now is the last program. Find the greatest value of A, B and C. First get the input. A is equal to int of input of, B is equal to int of input of and C is equal to int of input of. We are getting 3 input from the user. Now we are going to check A is greater than B and C. Here we have a two condition. First condition is A greater than B and the second one is A greater than C. We can check both the condition in a one line using a logical AND operation. AND operator return true if only both the condition is true. If A is greater than C, at the same time we are going to check A is greater than C. If both the condition is true, then print A is greater. If A is not the greatest value, then B and C is the only option to be a greater value. Then check B is greater than C. If true, print B is greater. Or else the last one is a C. If both A and B is not greater, then C is the only one be the greatest value. So print of C is greater. This is how the if and elif and else work. In if, elif and else, any one of the condition is satisfied. The remaining block of if and elif statement is not going to work. The control go back to the main program. Now save this program and run this program. Now check the output. Enter 32 and 12 and 45. Yeah, third one is the greatest value, so C is the greatest value. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoy this video, give a big thumbs up and share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.